Hello, my dear student. Welcome back to Russian Language Lab with Vita. I'm your Russian language coach, Vita. Today, let's practice writing the Russian cursive letter O. Please watch carefully. This is the uppercase letter O. This is the lowercase letter O. This is our transcription. Let's write them together. I'm writing the uppercase letter O. And here is the lowercase letter O. Let's write both of them. Now take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter O by yourself. Write in the comments if you enjoyed the video and feel free to share your thoughts or questions below. You can also share this video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thank you for learning with me and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!